Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to make dark mode turn on automatically on specific time in Samsung smartphones running One UI. So without for more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the settings and just click on this display option. Now just click on this dark mode settings. Now just turn on as scheduled. Now here you will see two options, sunset to sunrise, or you can select a custom schedule. And below you can see here set schedule time. Just click on it. Now you can set your respective time when the dark mode to turn on. Say I want to make it turn on from 8 p.m. and you can set the end part also. Click on done. Now I have set a particular time to make the dark mode turn on automatically. So once this scheduled time reaches, then the dark mode will automatically get turned on your respective Samsung smartphone. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily make dark mode turn on automatically on specific time in Samsung smartphones running One UI very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.